In this video, I am going to teach you how to group tasks in Clickup so you can manage your projects more efficiently. Stick around until the end to stay super organized. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're connected to the internet for smooth access. Click your workspace where you want to create a mind map. This will help keep things organized in the right place. You can see the gear icon, which is the Customize settings. Click it to open more options. This is where you adjust how tasks are displayed. Then choose Group in the drop-down section to open the grouping settings. This lets you organize tasks the way you prefer. Then choose Group in the drop-down section to open the grouping settings. This lets you organize tasks the way you prefer. Now you can choose what you want to group. For this video, I will group them by priority so I can see what needs to be done first. Now it will automatically group your tasks based on what you chose, making it easier to focus and manage work. And that's how to group tasks in Clickup. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tutorials. See you next time!